In this video guide, we'll give you instructions to get rid of the browser hijacker and adware type program that is called Reputation Lookup. More, it has the traits of the adware. Reputation Lookup is an adware type browser extension endorsed as a tool for quickly checking the reputation of online content. Instead, it operates by running intrusive advertisement campaigns and spying on the customer's browsing activity. Due to the questionable techniques used to distribute adware-type products, they are also classified as potentially unwanted applications. Adware delivers various pop-ups, banners, coupons, surveys, full-page, and other intrusive ads. They severely diminish the browsing experience and pose a threat to device and user safety. Intrusive advertisements endorse various sale-based, unreliable, deceptive, and even malicious websites. Furthermore, once clicked on, some of these adverts can stealthily download and install some other potentially unwanted software. So if you have noticed that this Reputation Lookup adware has somehow become the part of your Google Chrome browser, we strongly advise that you get rid of it immediately. Access the menu, click on More Tools in your Google Chrome browser. Then you need to choose extensions. So carefully research through the list of the browser extensions, disable this extension and remove it completely. Basically, this should fix the problem, but we also recommend that you research your system additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software and then start carefully researching your system with its help. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.